Guys, have you ever wanted to make money online without handling inventory or shipping? Then Etsy digital products might be one of the easiest way to start. Here is how it works. You create digital products in Canva, like you can see. Let me open Canva here. This is the Canva that you just have to log in with and simply click here on design. As you can see, here are different options uh, like here you create digital products, upload them on Insta, upload them on Insta, and customers buy and download them instantly. It is that simple. No packaging, no delivery headaches, and no need to keep stock. So, what kind of digital products sell on its side? Things like planners, wedding invitations, then business cards, study notes, printable wall art, and even budget trackers. Now, the big question: why Canva? Because Canva makes designing simple. You don't need to make or you don't need to be a professional graphic designer. Canva already gives you template fonts, graphic and drag and drop tools that helps you create attractive designs quickly. Here is a step-by-step process. First, choose a niche. Don't try to sell everything. Focus on one category like fitness planners, business templates, or wedding printables. Second, design your products in Canva. Keep it clean, useful, and visually appealing. Third, export your design as a PDF, PNG, or the required format. Fourth, open your Etsy shop. Let me open Etsy shop here. I have not opened it yet. Okay, this is the website of Etsy as I have already logged into it. This is the interface of Etsy. So these are the products, or you can say the what you can say. This is the selling platform. You can see the people has already posted their products here. Like you can see, there are different types of products, dresses, and phone covers, trays, and many more things. As you can see here, and pricing as well. So, if you have to sell your product here, what you have to do is scroll down, and here you can see how to sell on its side. So, click here on Start Selling on its side. Then, here you can see millions of shoppers can't wait to see what you have in store. Click here in Get Started. Now, this is the roadmap of how you can start selling on its side. Like make your shop uniquely yours, tell us a bit about yourself, open your shop and pay a one-time 957 setup fee and get after your first sale. Click here on let's do it. Then here you can see what brings you to its side. I'm curious about selling. Okay, I'm choosing this one just to show you. Yeah. Click here next. What categories are you interested in? Like I'm choosing digital products. Then click here next. Then now time for the fun part. We walk you through creating a shop and filling it with items. Start shop here, click here. Now what you have to do here is these are the total process of creating your Etsy shop. Like shop language. Suppose I'm choosing English language here. Then shop country. Suppose I'm choosing India. Then shop currency. Choosing Indian rupee. Okay, no problem. Then wait. Here you have to click next. Then name your shop. Suppose I am choosing my shop name as Amit Shop. Looks like Amit is already taken. Okay, no problem. Uh, A to B shop. Yeah, this one looks good. I'm using Amit by Fadtari. Okay, no problem. This is my shop name here. Click here on next, and we are here. How you get paid? Okay, you can choose how you want it to be paid. Like choose your country of residence here. Choosing India here. Yeah, okay, choosing India. Can double check as well all the things. Connect your pay Pioneer account. Okay, you will have to connect your Pioneer account to your account as you have to receive national or you can say foreign currency, then you will need to have a any app which is useful for accepting foreign payments. Then you can use Pioneer here. You have to click here on connect Pioneer account. I don't have any Pioneer account, but yeah, I will just show you the next steps. So here you will have to create or sign in to your Pioneer account. Follow the steps to connect your Pioneer account on its side. Once you Pioneer verifies your info, will enroll your its payments. After this, you have to click here and save and continue. Then you will be here on share your billing info. Okay, then you will have to add your billing information. Then you will need to add your shop security. After this, your shop will be ready to use, and then you can simply add your products, start selling them on its site. It's that easy. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.